When you have an overhang that is located at the sidewall eave of your building, you will need to install step flashing from the main building onto the roof of the overhang. First, identify the step flashing from your shipment list on the sheet metal trim package list. Install your step flashing after your overhang roof panels are in place and before installing your main building roof panels. The trim will span from end to end of your overhang at eave. Before installing the flashing, ensure the spaces between the outer panels and the step flashing are sealed with foam closure strips. These strips create a barrier against insects and moisture, helping to maintain weather tightness. Pre-applied adhesive helps to keep the foam in place, and the interlocking dovetails provide a secure end-to-end fit, eliminating any potential gaps. Install your step flashing using fasteners at each high rib of your overhang roof panels. The fastener will pass through the step flashing, followed by the foam closure strip, and finally into the high rib of the overhang panel. As you lap additional pieces of flashing, they should lap the previous flashing by a minimum of 2 inches. Continue installing step flashing until you reach the end of the canopy. At that point, measure and cut the flashing to length so that it stops at the end of the canopy. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.